Alright, so you're locked out of your Twitter account and you need back in, fast. Don't panic, I'll walk you through the easiest recovery steps, step by step. Head to the Twitter login page. Click, Forgot Password. Enter your email address. Enter your phone number. Enter your username. Twitter will send a password reset link, usually by email or SMS. Check your inbox. Check your spam folder. Click the link. Set a new password. You should be good to go. No access to your email. No access to your phone. On the password reset page, look for Don't Have Access or Can't Access These. Click it. Fill out the support form. Provide as much info as you can, your old email, your phone number, your last login details. The more details, the better your chances. If your account was hacked and the email was changed or the phone was changed, act fast. Go to the Twitter Help Center. Choose Hacked Account. Fill out that form. Twitter support will guide you. Watch your email. It may take a day or two. Pro tip: once you're back, turn on two-factor authentication. It adds a layer of security, so this won't happen again. Quick, easy, you're back tweeting. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech tips. For professional assistance with account recovery, check the video description or pinned comment to contact our recovery team.